Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel. And in this Python tutorial, we'll be learning basic of turtle graphics or animation. So our goal will be to like how to draw basic uh, uh, shapes in Python. Say that triangle, a square, line, etc. So let's do it. So for that, we need to import some libraries. Import libraries, then import turtle. After importing turtle, you need to create a object, turtle object. So you can give him object equal to turtle dot turtle function. So this way your turtle object is created, and then you can give the object shape. So object and its attribute is shape. Object shape. So object shape, maybe say that you have say turtle or a star or arrow. So in our case we will give turtle. You can also give a star or arrow. So you did that. Now we can uh, we can draw any object. So object dot forward. So this will take one argument, and now you say that you want to move object by 100 distance, and then you want to move object to the right by say 90 degree, and then object dot forward say 100, again 100. So basically this will create an object and it will move object by 100 to the right. Then it will take a right turn by 90 degree, and then it will move again by 100. So let's run it. See, this has taken forward, then it has taken a right turn to the 100 again. So this way you can create, see, you can create a square using this. So just copy this, say object dot right, again move by 90 degree, and again move forward by 100. Now run it. So this time you got three patterns, like three lines. Now you want to complete it. So again just copy this code and paste here. Now, so like make little bigger, say 500, 500, 500, and 500. See, this time it has completed a full square. So basically this has gone by a square of size, say 500 unit. Okay, so now you can do one thing. you can increase the width of the line. So for that, type object dot width, say even 10. You can give any number in that range. Now run it. See, this time it has created a square with a bigger uh, with a like a thick line. You can also give that pin color object dot pin color and say it is red. See, this time we have a like red square. I mean its sides are red color. So this way I think you can create any uh, object. I mean like a square, triangle, circle, like that. So let's see how to draw a circle. So what do, like object dot say circle and give radius. Say radius equal to 10. Now see, it has a drawn a circle at that point. Now suppose you want to give that circle, just say you want to draw a bigger circle. Yeah, so this way you can draw the shapes of an I mean object shapes using turtle. So you have a square and you have a circle. So I hope this tutorial has helped you to get some basic insight about turtle animation or graphics, that how to create shapes using turtle and how to move it backward, forward, uh, and how to move it at angle by say right or left. So thank you, and if you think this Python video has helped you, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new visitor. So thank you again.